Most people think the hardest part of buying a brand new home is finding the right one.
It isn't. The hardest part is taking that beautiful new home and making it feel like you. That's where the real time, money, and hard decisions begin.
But every once in a while, someone comes along and does that for you.
The result is something you rarely find in new construction, a home that's already been fully realized.
This is the finished vision. This is 9322 Joslin Court. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice this isn't your typical new construction home. Everywhere you look, you'll notice thoughtfully reimagined spaces. Our clients found this home while it was still under construction and worked alongside the builder to reshape the floor plan and add architectural details that most buyers wouldn't think to ask for. One of my favorite changes is this stunning glass wall that looks into the climate-controlled wine room. Rather than hiding it away, they made it part of the home's design, creating a focal point from the moment you walk through the door. As we walk through the home, we'll point out more of our favorite custom moments.
This may be my favorite transformation in the entire home. Originally designed as the formal dining room, the owners worked with the builder prior to construction completing and fully reimagined this space. They enclosed it with beautiful steel and glass doors, creating a cozy lounge that feels intentionally tucked away from the main living areas while still being just steps from the kitchen and wine room. To me, this is the perfect example of designing a home around the way you actually live.
As we step into the heart of the home, you really begin to feel the ripple effect of that decision. By bringing the dining space into the living room, everything feels more connected. Whether you're cooking, gathering around the table, or relaxing by the fire, everyone is together. The kitchen carries that same philosophy. It's warm, timeless, and incredibly functional. The oversized island becomes the gathering place, while the walk-in pantry keeps everything organized and out of sight. What I love most is that nothing here feels over-designed. It's polished without feeling precious, and all the design decisions work together to create a home that's as easy to live in as it is beautiful.
And just when you think you've seen it all, you step outside. The retractable screens create another living space, while the outdoor kitchen makes it easy to cook and entertain without ever leaving the conversation. Beyond that, the resort-style pool becomes the centerpiece, complete with a slide, elevated lounge deck, and thoughtful details like built-in planting niches that soften the entire design. They even regraded the yard, added mature landscaping for privacy, and created room for an in-ground trampoline. It's the kind of backyard where summer memories are made.
After a day exploring every other part of the home, this is the place you'll still look forward to. The vaulted ceilings, soft layers, and warm finishes create a primary suite that feels peaceful from the moment you walk in. The spa-like bath is a true retreat with a soaking tub, oversized marble shower, and timeless finishes that feel just as beautiful today as they will years from now. And one detail I especially love is the custom backlit shelving in the closets. It's a small touch, but another example of how the owners elevated even the everyday moments.
Upstairs, the same thoughtful approach continues. Each bedroom feels spacious and personal, with generous closets, beautiful ensuite baths, and plenty of room for each child to make it their own. The bonus room is an incredible hangout space, complete with a TV lounge, game area, and wet bar. And just around the corner is a second bonus room, because if you've ever had a house full of kids, you know one hangout room is never enough. Whether it's a movie night in one room, videos in the other, or a house full of friends after school, everyone has a place to gather.
One final change perfectly captures the way these owners thought about this home. Rather than keeping another bedroom they didn't need, they carved out space for a dedicated gym and built-in sauna. It's another reminder that every decision was made around the way they actually wanted to live. Instead of planning for someday, they created spaces they'd enjoy every single day. And now the next owners get to enjoy the finished result from day one. We often say a home tells the story of the people who live there. This one tells the story of the people who thought through every single detail.
And the best part is, you don't have to. You get to move in and enjoy the finished vision. A huge thank you to our sellers for opening up their home and letting us share it with you today.
And if you love seeing homes like this, make sure you're subscribed because there's always another picture-perfect home right around the corner.